topic is array operations. In that we are going to see combining an array element into the string. So in JavaScript there are two functions are used mainly for combining array elements. The first function is concat and the second function is join. Okay, if we see both the functions, then we found that both are the same, but one little bit difference is there. The first concat function are combining array elements and convert into the strings, but these array elements are separated by comma. And in join there is a single quoted space. Okay, so if we are giving the space, then these array elements are combined but they are separated by the space. If we are specifying here colon, then the array elements are combined but they are separated by colon. So whatever the values we are providing in the join parameter, so the array elements are separated by it and then string is combined. Okay, so let us see the example. Now first example, if we see, that is of concat function. What is function concat? Now here we have array color, new array, white, red, green, blue, yellow, black. So these are the array elements. Okay, and these array elements we are joining by using the function concat, array name dot concat, and this joint string we are storing into the variable string1, where it is stored string1, and document dot write method is used for displaying that string onto the browser. Okay, if we run this program, we are getting such type of output. Here what we are find that all the elements are combined and that are separated by comma. We have not passed the comma parameter in the concat method, then also they are joined and separated by comma. Okay, now second example, let us see regarding the join method. Okay, inside the, if we see the example, same example is given, but here instead of concat method we are using join method, in which single quote parameter we are specifying, so that elements are joined but they are specified by the space. They are separated by the space. So if we specify the space here, if we run this program, then we are getting the array elements which are also separated by the space. These are also separated by the space. So let us see the example. Now inside this example we see these elements are separated by the single quoted space. So if we run this program, okay, so let us run the program. If we run this program, join open with web browser Google Chrome, so we can find it, the output. So let us wait for the output. So if we run this program, we are getting the output, that is they are separated by the, 1 minute, the program is loading. Now we are separated by the white space. Okay, now let us modify one it. We are giving here suppose colon. What we are giving, suppose colon is given here. So let us check it, what is happening there. Now they are separated by the colon. So join method and concat method if we found, then join method are separated by the parameter which is specified as a parameter there. Okay, if the join method specifies a colon, then they are separated by colon. If join method specifies the space, then they are separated by the space. Okay, so I hope that you understand this topic, and you will write it and send me the notes. If you having any doubt, you can ask me later. Okay, let us stop.